The Sony FDR AX43 UHD 4K Handycam Camcorder is here to elevate your video recording experience. With its 4K 116:9 optimized video, this camcorder allows you to capture stunning footage in incredible detail. Thanks to its built-in gimbal and balanced optical steady-shot image stabilizer, you can say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to smooth, professional quality videos. One of the standout features of the FDR AX43 is its 20x optical zoom and clear image zoom of 30x for 4K 1/40x for HD2. This powerful zoom capability ensures that you can capture even the smallest details from a distance. The fast intelligent AF technology tracks focus to ensure you never miss those decisive moments. Equipped with a 1/2.5x low light CMOS sensor, the FDR AX43 excels in low light situations, allowing you to capture clear and vibrant footage even in dimly lit environments. The 26.8 square millimeters wide-angle Zeiss Vario Sonor T-Zoom lens adds versatility to your shots, allowing you to go from sweeping landscapes to close-up shots with ease. In addition, the FDR AX43 offers a digital zoom of up to 250x, giving you the flexibility to get even closer to your subjects. The maximum focal length of 536 ensures you can capture every detail from afar. With video capture resolution up to 720p and digital image stabilization, you can expect sharp and stable footage. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. Ensure compatibility before making your purchase. Capture life's precious moments in stunning 4K with the Sony FDR AX43 UHD 4K Handycam Camcorder.